what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Kate. It is literally so hot outside. I have to turn my AC down so you guys can hear me, but I just went to the mall because I picked up an order from Crate & Barrel and Sephora because I have like a weird obsession with Crate & Barrel. I got this glass. I'm sure you guys have seen this, but it's like a glass inside of a glass. People usually use it for tea or whatever, but I just think it's really cute. I got this glass. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but I'm just obsessed with it for smoothies because it's just really big and bulky. I'm just like obsessed with this glass. If any of you have like a weird obsession with cups, let me know. I also got one more thing, this little glass crate looking thing that's for like berries and stuff. Also went to Sephora because I did an online order. Got some new blushes from Bare Minerals. This is the Gen Nude powder blush in the shade That Peach Though, and then Call My Blush. I just needed a powder blush because I only use creams, but as we're getting into fall, I like to use powder blushes. And then I also got the roller liner by Benefit in the shade Brown. I'm literally dying. It's so hot. I'm about to leave the mall, but I just wanted to start off this vlog. I did like a little montage this morning of my breakfast, I think. I don't even remember, honestly. I'm gonna go home now. I will probably see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna vlog the rest of the day. I just wanted to make an intro to this vlog because I didn't do one yet. I will see you guys maybe tomorrow, I think, but I'm gonna go back home because I'm literally melting. Okay, bye. I'm gonna make a green smoothie right now. I want to show you guys how I've been making it recently because I feel like I've tried so many different variations of a green smoothie and they're just not hitting the spot, but this one is literally so freaking good. I've been having it like every single day for the past week. I use frozen mango, frozen banana, spinach, almond butter, coconut water, and then protein powder. This is just vanilla by the Orgain brand. I've also been throwing in some collagen in there. This is by the brand JS Health, and I actually have a code. I don't know if it still works, but you can try using the code Caitlin to get free shipping. I don't know if it'll still work by the time this video goes up. You can try it. I don't know if it'll still work, but this is everything that I've been putting in. It's so freaking delicious. You have to try it. I crave this like every single morning. Throw in some ice cubes in there and then add more coconut water just so it's nice and thick and cold. And I've been like obsessed with adding ice cubes to my smoothies lately. I feel like it just tastes so much better. It's so good. I can't get over it. I crave this like every single morning. Literally every single morning. I don't know, but it's freaking delicious. Also, a girl named Taylin, she reached out to me actually in my email. She's literally the cutest. So she has her own little Etsy shop. It's called 21 by T. She made me the phone beads. She made them my favorite color, orange, and she also made me a little ring. It has like a little orange flower on it. Like, how adorable is this? I get so many questions on my phone beads and like where they're from. I used to have different ones on my phone that were also from Etsy, but they actually broke literally the other day, so I'm so happy she sent me these. This was so nice of her. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. If you want some cute little phone beads, I will put her Etsy shop in the description so we can match. Good morning and happy Saturday. I woke up this morning. I did a spin class on the Peloton. I was dog sitting last week, so I didn't really have that much time to work out. So I was so happy this morning. I did a little workout, took a shower. I put on a little bit of makeup because I don't really know what the plan is for today. I'm supposed to go to Encore with Zach. Like I said yesterday, we're supposed to do something. I don't know. The weather is kind of cloudy today, so we kind of just want to do something chill and inside, and going to the casino is so fun. But I got some clothes from Princess Polly and Aritzia. I got this cute white set from Princess Polly. It just has this white bra crop top thing with these white trousers. You guys can probably like not even tell what these are. So this is the white set from Princess Polly. Their sizing is so so weird sometimes. So I got this set in a size 4 and the pants don't fit like a size 4. They fit bigger and then the top fits way too tight, I feel like. And it's so hard to put on. It's not stretchy at all and it only has this little half zipper right here. I wish it would unzip all the way. I really like it. This is so super cute. They're sets. The top always fits tighter than the bottoms. I feel like they're 2 different sizes. It's weird, but it's still super cute. Like obsessed with white if you can't tell. Ignore the socks. But I just think this is super cute and I love the little tie detailing on the sleeves, and I've just always wanted like a t-shirt button-up dress type of situation. I would love to wear this with a pair of heels and my hair in like a tight bun. It's giving me major Hailey Bieber vibes and I love it. So from Aritzia, I got this. I am so obsessed with this top. I just love the fit of it. I think it's super cute. It's this ribbed material. It's just a long sleeve cropped top and I just love how basic it is. Also love how long the sleeves are. I think that adds a cute little touch. And then I also got these leggings. These are the TNA butter leggings. They're just so soft and comfortable. I cannot get over them. Like, oh my goodness. And I love this outfit, honestly, with like a baseball hat and some sneakers. Lastly, from Aritzia, I got this cute crisscross bandage type of top, and I never wear colors, but when I saw this on the website, I was just so drawn to the green. I don't know why. I got these pants that are kind of like the Melina pant, but they're more of like a trouser version of them and they're a little bit cropped. But I just think this outfit would be cute with a pair of like laced up heels. I got these things to pair together. I will put all of these items down below if you want to check them out, but I'm like so obsessed with this top. It comes in a bunch of different colors too. I just made myself some lunch. I made myself tacos, which I never make, so I made some ground turkey yesterday and just put some chili seasoning in it. And then I'm using the Siete grain-free taco shells. For cheese, I'm using this plant-based mozzarella cheese. And then I just cut up some lime that I'm gonna drizzle on there, but I don't know why, but I was just like craving tacos. I think I'm just gonna take a few pictures of it before I eat it so I can put it on my foodie account, which if you're not following, go follow. I also made these cookies last night by myself because I was so bored and I was like craving chocolate chip cookies. This is the brand. I posted it on my story on my food account. It's the Sweet Lawrence brand and I feel like I've seen these everywhere, but 80% of you said you haven't tried these yet, so I'm like really excited because they're so good and I'm about to literally have 2 because treat yourself. So freaking good. Just went to Pliables. Me and Zach are actually in Boston right now. I don't know if we're gonna go to Encore. We're just getting food right now. He's getting a burger at Boston Burger Company and I got a Pliable. And it's so funny because me and Christina, my friend Christina, used to make fun of Pliables and we were like, it's so icy, like it's so not good. It's like not a true acai bowl, and now I literally come here like twice a week because it's so good and I forgot how good it was. This is what I usually get. I get the Nataya bowl if you guys have a Pliables around. It's honestly really good and I'm so sorry for making fun of it before, but I get the Nataya bowl. It has Nutella, bananas, blueberries, cacao nibs, and coconut, and it's pitaya on the bottom. And this is kind of like a dessert for me at this point just because it's so sweet and it has Nutella on it. Like it's honestly not even like a healthy treat. We're gonna eat some food and I don't know what we're gonna do after. Maybe we'll go to Encore. I don't really know. Guys, happy Sunday. So today me and Zach are gonna go to Martha's Vineyard, but right now I'm just having some breakfast. I made avocado toast with some lime and I'm having some orange juice, which I like rarely ever have, but I'm just doing my morning routine, my 5-minute journal, my little meditation books that I show you guys all the time. But I'm going to do my morning routine, have some breakfast, get ready for the day. I need to figure out what to wear. I already did my makeup, but yeah, it's gonna be really hot out. I need to make sure that I put sunscreen on. I want to dress like comfy because we're gonna be on the ferry, because you have to take a ferry to get there. You can't like drive to Martha's Vineyard or Nantucket. You have to go to the Cape and then take a ferry from there. Oh yeah, I forgot to update you last night. Me and Zach didn't even end up going to the casino. We just got food. I got a Pliable, which I showed you, and then he got a burger from Boston Burger Company. We just ate food and then literally went home because we just figured that we shouldn't go and just waste our money at the casino because we're going away soon, and we just figured that wouldn't be the smartest idea. It's still really fun to go. I kind of wish we went, but we just figured that the smartest decision would be to not go. Yeah, we just went home last night and we didn't even end up doing anything. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we're in Nantucket. We didn't actually end up going to Martha's Vineyard because we couldn't get there from the, what is it called, like a port?
Yeah, steamship authority, like port in Hyannis.
So apparently we can't get to Martha's Vineyard from there, so we just came to Nantucket instead. This is our third time. Well, my third time here?
Like fourth
I think, because I thought I only came here once before, but I guess but I guess this is my third time. But we just got some food. I got a chicken sandwich and Zach got a burger. We got some ice cream and now we don't really know what to do.
Just kind of walking around.
We're just kind of walking around.
Sunburnt like before I even left the boat, so I'm trying to avoid the sun.
We both got sunburns because we didn't have sunscreen. We only had Zach's face sunscreen, so we both have sunburns. But yeah, that's the sitch.